Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana with Pipedrive. This integration is incredibly useful if you're managing projects in Asana while tracking deals and customer relationships in Pipedrive, allowing both platforms to work seamlessly together. Let's start by opening your Pipedrive dashboard. Once you're in, look at the main menu and click on Marketplace. This is where you'll find all the available integrations that can enhance your Pipedrive workflow. The marketplace gives you access to hundreds of apps and tools that connect directly with your CRM. Now that you're in the marketplace, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Type Asana into this search bar and press Enter. This will filter the results to show you integration options specifically for Asana from the search results that appear. Go ahead and click on Asana to open its integration page. On the Asana integration page, you'll see an Authorize button. Click this button to begin the process of connecting your two accounts. This authorization step is what allows the platforms to communicate securely with each other. You'll now be taken to a user selection screen. Here you need to specify which company and user account you want to link. Click on the company drop-down menu and select your organization, for example, Tutorial Labs. Then click on the user drop-down and choose who should have access, such as only me if you're setting this up for your personal use. Once you've made your selections, click the green Next button to proceed. The next screen is important as it shows you the app permissions. This displays exactly what information Asana will be able to access from your Pipedrive account. You'll see items like access to basic information, deals set to read only, contacts also read only, the ability to see recent account activity, administer account privileges, and webhooks with full access. Review these permissions carefully to understand what data will be shared between the two platforms. Once you're comfortable with the permissions, click Allow and Install to finalize the authorization. If another permission prompt appears, simply click Allow to grant the necessary access. And that's it. Your Asana and Pipedrive accounts are now successfully connected and ready to work together, streamlining your project management and sales processes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.